Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make some crispy Bajri Vadas. Bajri is also known as pearl millets. It is grown in the western part of India, and Bajri Vada is a traditional recipe of Gujarat, the state to which I originally belong. I have modified it slightly and made it crispy. This will increase the shelf life of the vada, and you could store it at room temperature easily for 2 to 3 days. Hope you enjoy my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Coarsely grind garlic, ginger, green chillies and coriander leaves in an electric mixer. Take 1 cup of Bajra or pearl millet flour in a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. Add the ground mixture to it, followed by the yogurt, and mix it all well together. Add 1 teaspoon of carom seeds and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds to it. Mix it well. Add turmeric, red chilli, coriander and cumin powder and mix it well. If needed, add a little bit of water. When the dough all comes together, add about half teaspoon of sunflower oil and mix it well. Coat the dough in the oil and cover and keep aside for 10 to 12 hours. After the dough has rested, check to see how loose it has become. Add some lemon into it. As the dough is loose, add some more of the pearl millet flour, some salt and a pinch of baking soda. And mix it all well together. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and mix it all well together. This will help you to handle the dough when you're making the vada. Heat oil in a frying pan. Take a small portion of the dough and roll it into an elongated cylinder as shown. You can also roll it on a rolling board as shown. Then cut it into pieces of equal sizes. Take a portion of it in your palm and roll it into a flat shape. Coat it with sesame seeds and press it between your palms to make them stick. Then flatten it with your finger and thumb as shown. Repeat with all the others and keep them ready. By the time you have got a batch ready, the oil would have got heated up. Fry it in the oil. Fry on low flame so that the vadas turn out crispy. If you fry it on high flame, it will not be that crispy. Turn over when golden brown on one side and cook till golden brown on all sides. Remove from the oil using a perforated or netted spoon as shown. Transfer it to a plate covered with tissue paper to soak in any excess oil. Transfer to a serving dish and serve with garlic chutney. I will upload the recipe for the garlic chutney tomorrow.